Alright folks, so Joe and I just come down to check on our mushroom logs here. And these were logs that we just inoculated this spring. Theoretically, they shouldn't be producing much for mushrooms, but there you can see the oyster mushrooms have popped out. There's some more here. All kinds over this. And this is like we had said, they'll come out quicker in the white birch because the mushroom has an easier time taking it over. Because the white birch is not as hard as some of the other hardwoods. But there's some beech that's also fruiting. And there's some big ones down in here. And like I say, this is this year's mushrooms. So these are the logs that we did this year, along with these stacks here. And we never even checked these ones yet. But one thing that you can see that really lets you know that the inoculation took very well is when you see this pattern on the end of the logs. And what you'll notice is that this is a hole right here that we had drilled and inoculated, and you'll notice that it kind of lines up with where this pattern is. So we would have drilled a hole under here, and we would have drilled a hole on this line there. So many of these are showing very good signs of the inoculation taking. And and there's, now this is our last year's logs here. So this is well, we did a few more than this. We do have them in another spot, but this is our shiitake mushrooms that are growing on last year's logs, and we've harvested off these logs several times already now this year. Again, there's these are more of, these ones over here are shiitake, but we haven't gone through them yet to see if there's anything fruiting. But it's not all that usual for your mushroom logs to fruit in the first year, but ours have, and mainly because it's a tremendous year for mushrooms. All right, folks, see you later.